Hello everyone, in this video I will explain what are the array iteration methods available in JavaScript like for each, map, filter, reduce, reduce right, every, some like. Okay, so I will explain each and every method. So first for that I am taking one file like array iteration .js, like that I am taking. So first I will explain what is for each method. Okay. So this for each method, it iterates the all elements in an array. It calls the callback function for each and every element. Okay. If you want to update the element, then you can update within the callback function only. It does not create the new array. See, let me take one example. I am taking one array here. Const numbers equal to. So I am taking some numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Now I am multiplying the each and every element with 10, so that output I need to print using the for loop. So I am using the for each here. So numbers dot for each. See, this for each method, it will allow 3 arguments: value, index and array of type number array. See, here I am taking 2 arguments only. Okay. Now I am multiplying the each and every element with 10. So what is the array here? Number, right? So this index. So each and every in each and every index I am multiplying the each element with 10. Okay. See, now I am consoling the numbers. See, it does not create the new array, but unlike for each, this map function, it will return new array. I will explain difference between for each and map after explaining the map method. Okay. See here, you need to run the command node array iteration.js. See, I am getting the output like 100, 200, 300 like that. So each element is multiplied with 10. Okay. Now I will explain math. Let me take one more array. Numbers one like that I am taking. Okay. Here some numbers I am taking. 40, 50. Okay. Now using the map function, I am dividing the each element with 5. Okay. Numbers dot map. It allows pattern method. I am taking 2 arguments here. Element comma index. Okay. I am returning the element divided by 5. Now I am trying to console this numbers one. See, now I am saving my file. See, I am getting the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I did not get exact output. Why? Because this map function, it will return new array. So that's why you need to store this output in one separate variable. Okay. So I am storing this result in one variable. Let A like that I am taking. So now you can console that new output after the map. See. Now I am getting the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 divided by 5, 2, right? 20 divided by 5, 4. So, the difference between for each and map is the for each method, it does not return new array, but map method, it will return new array. So, the for each method, it calls the callback function for each and every element. So, here in map also, it will call the callback function for each element and it will return new array. Okay. Now I will explain map. Sorry, filter. Map already explained, right? Let me take one array. Here I am taking age like that I am taking. So here I am taking some ages like 22, 22, 33, 44, 13, 16, 23. Okay. Here I need to filter the all the elements greater than 30. Okay. So for that I am using the filter function here. So it will also return new array. That's why I am taking one variable for storing the result. So here I am performing the filter method on age. So it will allow two arguments. I am taking two arguments here. Okay. I am returning the condition like element greater than 30. I need age greater than 30. So based on the condition, it will iterate the all elements. The console dot log of what is the new array B, right? C. I am getting the 33, 44, 60 that is greater than 30. Okay. If you want to filter the elements based on some condition, then you can use filter method. If you want to update the all the elements, then you can use map here. Okay. You can use for each also, but in for each it does not return new array, but map it will return new array. Okay. Filter also it will return new array. Now I will explain reduce method. Let me take one array const values equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I need sum of all the elements. Okay, I need to produce single result. So for that I am using the reduce method here. So let me take one variable. Let sum equal to I am performing the reduce method on values array. See, reduce. So I am taking two arguments like n1 comma n2. I am returning the condition for sum n1 plus n2. Okay. Now I am consoling the sum. See, let's assume this 10 comma 20 are the n1 and n2 first. Okay. So by default, from left to right, this operation will start. Okay. So first 10 plus 10, 20, 30, right? So again, this 30 is the n1. Here, let's assume 10, 20 are the n1 and n2. So n1 plus n2 means 30, right? So again, this 30 is the n1. This again, this second 30 is the n2. Okay, n1 plus n2, 30, 30, 60. Again, this total 60 is the n1 and 40 is the n2. 60 plus 40, 100. Again, this 100 is the n1. This 50 is the n2. Total 150. We'll see the result once. See, I am getting the here. You need to console some, right? I given wrong text. Okay. See, now I am getting the 150. Okay. So here, because of this reduce method, I am getting the single result. Okay. Now I will explain reduce right. This reduce and reduce, right? This functionality are same, but it will start the summation from right to left. Okay. See, let me take one more variable for this values dot reduce, right? I'm taking two arguments n1 comma n2. I'm returning the condition n1 plus n2. So previously in reduce method by default from left to right summation is happen, right? But here right to left the summation will happen. So first 40 50 is the n1 n2. So 40 plus 50 is the 90, right? Again 90 is the n1 and 30 is the n2. So the summation starts from right to left. We'll get the same result, but functionality is different. So reduce means left to right, reduce right means right to left, right to left, the summation will happen. Okay. Now I will explain every and some method. So first let me take one array for this const person age equal to I am taking some ages here 22, 33, 44, 30, 55, 46. Okay. Now let me take one variable for storing the result. Let PA like that I am taking. I am performing the every method on person age. Okay. Element comma index. See return element greater than 30. Okay. 40 I am taking. See it check the condition element greater than 40, but here I given every method it check the every element is greater than 40 or not. Here is every element is greater than 40, no, right? So you will get a false. Let me console this result once. Console.log of PA. I am saving my file here. See, I am getting the false. This every method it check the every element based on the condition. It satisfies that every element is satisfied that condition, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Now I will explain this sum method. So I am performing this sum method on this percentage array only. Okay, percentage dot sum. Here sum I am taking. Okay, I am returning the condition return element greater than 40. It check the if sum of elements are greater than 40, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. See, if sum of elements are greater than 40, right? 55 is there, 46 is there. Some elements are greater than 40, right? So, you will get the true. Console.log of PA2. See, I am saving my file. See, I am getting the true. Okay. Every means it check the every elements with that condition. If the condition is satisfied, then you will get it true, otherwise false. Sum means if sum of elements is satisfied with that condition, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay. In the next video, I will explain what are the methods available on numbers, and also no worries, I will explain some problems on array methods. Okay. We'll meet you in next session. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.